Welcome to this presentation on compact bifluid hybrid stars, hadronic matter mixed with self-interacting fermionic asymmetric dark matter. This research was conducted by Somnath Mukhopadhyay et al. And published in 3rd July 2017. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we delve into the fascinating realm of compact stars admixed with dark matter. Despite dark matter constituting roughly 27% of the universe, its fundamental properties, such as particle mass and interaction mechanisms, remain largely unknown. While cosmological precision tests confirm its abundance, the specific nature of its self interactions, particularly strong ones, poses a significant theoretical gap. Such interactions could profoundly alter dark matter's behavior on astrophysical scales, impacting the structure and evolution of compact objects. Our central hypothesis is to determine the gravitational stability and mass radius relations of compact stars, specifically neutron stars, when they are composed of a mixture of hadronic matter and self interacting fermionic asymmetric dark matter under various rotational conditions. Our baseline assumptions for this investigation are twofold. First, we do not consider any phase transitions within the nuclear matter component. And second, the interaction between the nuclear and dark matter components is exclusively gravitational. Our investigation employs a general relativistic two-fluid formalism to model the mixed system. For non-rotating configurations, we utilize the coupled Tolman-Oppenheimer-Volkoff equations, while for rotating systems, we leverage the Lorin code, a robust numerical tool for astrophysical calculations. The equation of state for the nuclear matter component is derived from the density-dependent M3Y effective nucleon-nucleon interaction, with its parameters precisely calibrated from nuclear matter calculations, including saturation density, saturation energy, and incompressibility. For the self-interacting fermionic asymmetric dark matter, we developed an equation of state that combines a degenerate free Fermi gas model with a massive vector field theory, accounting for repulsive two-body interactions. This dark matter model assumes a particle mass of 1 giga electron volt and a low mediator mass of 100 mega electron volts, indicative of strong interactions. Both equations of state were then fitted to polytropic forms for computational efficiency. We explored two primary scenarios, one where the dark matter central enthalpy was fixed while varying the nuclear matter central enthalpy, and the inverse, where nuclear matter central enthalpy was fixed and dark matter central enthalpy varied. Our calculations yielded several key findings regarding the properties of these hybrid compact stars. For differentially rotating hybrid stars, we found a maximum mass of approximately 1.94 solar masses with a corresponding equatorial radius of about 10.4 kilometers. This particularly massive configuration arises when the dark matter component dominates the central enthalpy variation, specifically with the dark matter rotating at 700 Hz and the nuclear matter at 300 Hz. Conversely, in configurations where nuclear matter dominates the central enthalpy variation, with nuclear matter rotating faster, the maximum mass achieved was lower, around 1.36 solar masses, with a radius of approximately 6.75 kilometers. Furthermore, our analysis of pure dark matter stars, assuming a dark matter particle mass of 1 giga electron volt, showed maximum masses reaching up to 3.15 solar masses for rotating configurations. Intriguingly, if the dark matter particle mass is reduced to half a giga electron volt, these pure dark matter stars could attain masses as high as 12.6 solar masses, a regime that closely mimics stellar mass black holes. While our study focuses on the derived maximum values, the underlying nuclear matter equation of state parameters, such as the symmetric nuclear matter incompressibility, were found to be in excellent agreement with recently extracted experimental constraints, lending confidence to our foundational models. The theoretical implications of our findings are substantial. We observed that the equation of state for self-interacting dark matter is considerably stiffer than that of nuclear matter, characterized by a significantly larger polytropic coefficient. This stiffness is a critical factor, directly leading to more massive hybrid star configurations when the dark matter component is dominant. This result offers a compelling alternative explanation for the existence of observed neutron stars with masses around 2 solar masses, potentially challenging the necessity of invoking exotic nuclear phase transitions to account for such stiff equations of state. Another intriguing aspect is the behavior of low mass dark matter dominated hybrid stars, which exhibit characteristics remarkably similar to self bound strange stars. This is attributed to the very strong repulsive two body interactions within the dark matter, which effectively counteract gravity, resulting in more compact objects with smaller radii. This novel behavior provides a new perspective on the internal structure and stability of compact objects. Looking towards the future research frontier, the potential for pure dark matter stars, especially those composed of lighter dark matter particles, to mimic stellar mass black holes, opens up an entirely new avenue for both theoretical classification and observational searches for compact objects. Our framework provides a robust foundation for exploring how various dark matter interaction properties could manifest in observable astrophysical phenomena, guiding future efforts to constrain dark matter models. In conclusion, this work makes a significant contribution by establishing the gravitational stability and mass radius relations of compact hybrid stars composed of hadronic matter and self interacting fermionic asymmetric dark matter within a general relativistic two fluid formalism. We have demonstrated that strong dark matter self interactions can lead to the formation of massive and remarkably compact stellar configurations, offering a plausible explanation for the observed two solar mass neutron stars without requiring exotic nuclear phase transitions. The distinct behavior of dark matter dominated systems, particularly their enhanced compactness due to repulsive interactions, highlights the unique role dark matter can play in stellar structure. Moving forward, we identify several high level directions for future research. First, it would be crucial to investigate the effect of dark matter on compact hybrid stars that possess a quark core, exploring how dark matter might influence potential phase transitions from baryonic to quark matter. Second, expanding the parameter space by exploring a wider range of dark matter particle masses and interaction strengths is essential to fully map the landscape of dark matter dominated compact objects, especially those that could mimic stellar mass black holes. Finally, incorporating more complex dark matter models, including those with annihilation or different interaction types, will refine our predictions for observable signatures and provide stronger constraints from astrophysical observations.